serger, and we're using a Baby Lock 1034D. And also just a regular domestic sewing machine, and this is a Singer heavy duty. And the links for these machines will be in the description. You're going to need fabric, and you can pretty much use whatever fabric you want. We're using a thinner fabric, so it's going to drape very nice. Then go ahead and cut a rectangle that's about 60 by 17 inches. And you can go longer if you want. Our fabric was only 60 inches long, so that's where we're stuck at, but you can add on more if you want. Adding on more will give you a longer look if that's what you're going for. And also if you're going for a wider, more full look, you can definitely add length onto the width. This measurement here will give you a nice full look, and it'll wrap around your head about 2 times. But 60 by 17 inches is a pretty standard good looking size for an infinity scarf. So next you want to go ahead and fold it in half long way with the right sides together. And you're pretty much going to start by just making a tube. And by making this tube, it's going to make the infinity scarf look both good on the inside and the outside. I see a lot of infinity scarves made by just hemming the outside, and I don't really like it that much. I think this way looks a lot cleaner and more professional. So all you're going to be doing is sewing that long edge. So we're going to be using a serger. If you don't have one, it's totally fine. Just use a zigzag stitch on a normal domestic machine. And the reason we're doing this is because we're using very stretchy fabric, and if we use a straight stitch, it's just going to snap that thread once this scarf is stretched. So we're using a serger, but if you don't have a serger, use that zigzag stitch because that zigzag stitch will give you some stretch. So what you're going to want to do next is go ahead and pull the right side out. So you are going to be connecting these 2 raw edges, and there's a few different ways you can do it. You can add a twist to it by just twisting it and then going right sides together, or you can just do it in a plain circle, flat, and make it super symmetrical. It's totally up to you, whatever look you're trying to go for. The twist will add for more of a filling look, but we're just going to go the regular route for this video. Then go ahead and make sure those edges are nice and lined up and sew them together. And it's really nice having a serger at this point because it's going to clean up that edge and make it look really neat on the inside of that scarf. And then the final step is just adding a top stitch to keep that seam down on the inside. So all you have to do is fold over that seam and then stitch on top of it. And this will also make it more comfortable on the inside when you're wearing this infinity scarf. And just like that, you are done, and your infinity scarf is done, and you can make these super fast and easy. It's a great gift for the holidays. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you think. If you have ideas that you want to see done, send them our way. We'll try to make it happen for you. But until then, we're going to keep the videos coming at you, and we'll see you next time.